Welcome to EGF Academy. I am Dr. Gitanjali. Today's topic is biome is the formation of plants and animals that have common characters due to similar climate. We will understand it with an example. So this is the map of the world. Biome means and the plants plus animals, their combination will be found everywhere wherever they are getting the right condition. Like we take the example of rainforest, they grow at a place where the rainfall is more than 200 centimeter and temperature is approx between 35 to 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. On the earth, wherever these conditions are met, rainfall and temperature, we will find the rainforest there. For example, these are the Amazon rainforest in the Brazil, and this is the rainforest in the Africa, and we have rainforest in India, Western Ghat, and these are the rainforest in the Indonesia, Malaysia, this region. Because this region passes through the equator or near equator, so that's how the temperature condition and the rainfall condition are same at these places. So that's why we are finding the same kind of plants and animals in all these places. So this is called the biome. Other example we will take of the taiga. So taiga biome is found in the north hemisphere. This is Canada and this is Russia. Here the temperature is low and the rainfall is also low. In such type of condition, the taiga type of plants and animals are found. So it means because of the similar climatic conditions, we are finding the similar type of plants and animals in the world. So this is called the biome. We will see the definition again. The biome is a formation of plants and animals that have common characters due to similar climate and can be found over a range of continents. It means over the world, wherever a plant species or animal species will find the suitable condition, they will grow there, and that will be called the biomes. So biome is characterized by the climate, the vegetation, animal life, and the soil type. So soil also plays an important role because every type of plant requires a typical soil. For example, cotton, it requires the black soil. So wherever there is a black soil and plus the climatic conditions are right, the cotton can grow there. And each biome has a different climatic conditions like the temperature and rainfall. For example, the taiga biome, it requires low temperature, low rainfall, and the rainforest, they require high temperature and high rainfall. So it means every biome's requirement of temperature and rainfall is different. So climate and geography determines the biome of a region, and two biomes cannot be same. It means they are different. So we can see here wherever there is wet condition, it means more rainfall, we will find rainforest there. And at the dry condition, we will find the desert there. This is the tropical condition. So as we move upward, it means from the tropics to our subtropical region. This is subtropical region, and after that here is the temperate region. So as we move from the tropics, this is a tropical condition, then when we go to temperate, there will be temperate forest, temperate grassland and desert, then subarctic. It means in the north pole and south pole we will find the taiga type of biome there, and in very northmost portion, we will find the tundra biome in the Arctic region. So that's how our biome keeps on changing as we move from the tropics to the polar areas. To join our online course, please visit registration link given in the description box. You can contact us on given numbers regarding any query related to online courses.